Hey everyone, this is Rich again from Colbert BDC Sales Training and Development. Just want to let you know real quick, if you're interested in starting a business or inspiring to start a business and you need funding to get things going and get things off the ground, let me tell you, there's a way to do that. And that doesn't mean getting a loan. And if you need a grant, we can help you with that too. But this is a way for you to get support, the support you need to start your business, to get your business up and running today, get your business going, get your business developing today. If you're interested, give me a call. The number is 510-485-3213. That's my personal cell. Give me a call. 510-485 3213 is my cell number, or hit me on Facebook. Go ahead, hit me up on Facebook. Say, hey, Rich, I'm trying to get this business off the ground. What do I need to do to get the financial support to get this thing going? And we can go through all the resources I have to help you start generating, getting your business going and generating some revenue. All right. Talk to you soon. Give me a call.